Hi! In front of me is Cubot P50 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. You need to start by opening Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and install your new default app. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just wait for it to install and choose Home button. Then go into Devices Settings. In Settings, choose Apps and Notifications. Over here, scroll down, click on Advanced, scroll down again and click on Default Apps. Finally, you need to click on one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on Browser app here, choose Opera Mini to set it up and tap on the Back button. As you can see, after that, Default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!